We call these ridges. Ridges are on the sides of the staircase. Most people are great about keeping their staircases clean, but those little ridges that are on the outside of the staircase pick up a lot of dust. And when a home buyer walks in from any time of the day, and we don't know what time of the day they're coming, we might go to work every day at the same time and it looks clean to us. But when the sun hits it from a different angle and they come in at 10 or 11 o'clock in the day and we're at work, what happens is they're seeing all this dust on the outsides and it looks like we skipped our cleaning. So we don't want to do that at all. We want to make sure that the outside ridges are clean all the way down the stairs. It's a little tiny thing, but it makes a huge difference. Also, if you have like a hidden handrail, the handrail turns if your stair curves. Make sure you get all the way around the handrails, because we've gone into homes where the whole handrail is perfectly clean except where the ridges are, and there will be like cakes of dust where somebody just skipped that and you can't see it because there's not really great lighting in the stairwell. But when the sun hits it from a different angle, it looks nasty. So you want to make sure that you get the whole area and the side rails of the ridges of the stairs. A small thing makes a huge difference.